this is your paper number EL1501, Unit 4, Lecture 6. Here we move the next example. Find the decimal equivalent of the following binary numbers. Correct? So we convert binary number to decimal number. How to convert? Right? So our first example is 10100 binary that we want to convert into the form of the decimal. We don't know the value of decimal number of this, right? So our first is check the sign of the given number, right? Check the sign of the given number. So most significant bit of the given number is 1. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is your magnitude, or we can say value. This is your sign. 1, that means negative sign, and 0, that means positive sign. So our first step is check the sign of the given number. The most significant bit, that means this one of the given number is 1, therefore the sign of the number is negative. Step 2. Step 1, check the sign, positive or negative. Step 2, find the ones complement of the number. Find the ones complement of the number. So here the number is 1010011. So its complement is whenever there is a 1, convert into the form of 0. When there is a 0, convert into 1. So we are getting this one, it is now 0. This 0, it is now 1. This one is now 0. This 0, 0 is your 1, 1. This 1, 1, 1 is your 0, 0, 0. Right? Step 3. Find the decimal equivalent. Find the decimal equivalent. So this is our number, which ones complement. Step 2. Our value is 1011000. It is now find out the decimal equivalent. 1 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus this one into 2 raised to 4 plus this one into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 and last plus 0 into 2 raised to 0, and this is equal to 64 plus 16 plus 8, that is equal to 88. Hence the decimal equivalent, so the answer is decimal equivalent of 1010011, it is equal to minus 88 into the form of decimal. Right? Second example we will see, so you are getting more clear about this. Example 2. Convert this decimal binary number 01010011 into the form of decimal. Right? So again, step 1, check the sign, check the sign of the given number, right? So here the most significant bit of the given number is 0. See here, this is your MSB, most significant number, and the sign, the digit is 0, bit is 0, so the positive sign. The sign of the number is positive. So step 1, we are getting positive sign. Step 2, the number is positive, go to step 3. We know that if the number is positive, go to step 3. What is our step 3? Find the decimal equivalent. So number is 1010011. This is the value 1010011. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, that is equal to 64 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 83. The decimal equivalent of the answer is, decimal equivalent of the number 01010011 binary, it is equal to plus, we know that the sign is plus 83 into the form of decimal. Again we will see the next example. The number is 10111 First step, check the sign. Step 1, check the sign. So this is your 1, so sign is negative. If this is 0, then the sign is positive. Step 2, find the ones complement of the number. If this is negative, then and then there is a need of ones complement. So find the ones complement. Find the ones complement, and that is equal to 10111 011. Ones complement is equal to that is equal to 0 1. This is your 0 convert into the form of 1 1 1 1, that means 0 0 0 0, that means 1 1 1, that means 0 0. This is your ones complement. And this last step, step 3, find the decimal equivalent. Find the decimal equivalent. So we are taking this and we will find out the decimal equivalent. 010000100, it is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 6. This is your value. So we are not taking this 0, this shows the sign. So this one into 2 raised to 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 and last plus 0 into 2 raised to 0, and that is equal to 64 plus 4, that is equal to 68. So decimal equivalent of 10111,011, it is equal to minus 68 decimal conversion. So in this way we use ones complement whenever the sign is negative. If there is positive sign, there is no need of this. Now we are discussing about 2's complement representation. So be remember, in the sign binary number there are 3 methods. The first one is the sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation. Second method, ones complement, and third method is 2's complement. Now we are discussing about 2's complement method, 2's complement representation. 2's complement representation here. What happened? The 2's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1. Add 1 to the ones complement of binary number. Simplest way, right? In this representation, the most significant bit is 0 for positive number and 1 for negative number. For example, 1's complement of plus 8, 1's complement of plus 8, it is equal to 111,0,111. 4 1, right? How? Because in simplest form, simple binary number system, 8 bit, how to represent 8? It is represented by 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, 8 bit binary number. So 1's complement is 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, like this. Okay. Now 2's complement of plus 8, it is equal to add 1, इस नंबर में ऐड करो. So 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus 1, this is equal to 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 10, 0 raised to 1, this 1 plus 1 10, 0 raised to 1, this 1 plus 0 1, this is your 1, this is your 1, this is your 1, and this is your 1. So this is your answer. The 2's complement of a positive number is negative and vice versa. The 2's complement, be remember, 2's complement of a positive number is negative and vice versa. That means plus 8 decimal is represented by 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 in binary, whereas this 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 binary represents minus in decimal. In 2's complement, in 2's complement representation. Right? Unsigned 8-bit binary number represents the maximum decimal number is 255. Unsigned, that means simple binary number, is raised to 2 raised to n minus 1, that is equal to 255. But here 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 127. The unsigned 8-bit binary number represents the maximum decimal number 255. The 2's complement 8-bit binary number represents the maximum positive number is 127 and the maximum negative number is minus 127. Right? In generalized form, the n-bit unsigned binary number represents the maximum positive number as 2 raised to n minus 1, like this. And the n-bit binary number in 2's complement form represents the maximum positive value 2 raised to n minus 1, like this. Okay? And the maximum negative number as 2 raised to n minus 1. 2 raised to n minus 1, that means this is equal to 228. If it is in minus negative sign, then 2 raised to n minus 1. This is not given here, right? 2 raised to n minus 1, the answer is minus 128. This is one objective question. Now the step to represent the negative number in 2's complement representation are, so be remember these 3 steps. Step 1, write the positive sign number, write the positive sign number. Step 2, find the ones complement, find out ones complement of the number by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Right? Step 3, find the 2's complement of the number to get 2's complement of the number. Here only just add 1 to the ones complement of the number. Right? So this is very simplest form. We are taking the example. Whenever we are taking example, the theory is very simply understood. Right? So represent the following decimal number. Following decimal number in 2's complement. Represent following decimal number in 2's complement. Right? So number example 1 is minus 44. Right? Example 1 is minus 44. We want to convert this decimal number into the form of the 2's complement. Right? How to convert? So first, step 1, find the binary equivalent of the number. Step 1, find binary equivalent. So how to find out? You just leave this negative sign, right? 44 decimal, that is equal to 44 divided by 2. What is your value? 22 is your quotient, and this is your remainder. This 22 divided by 2, 11, 0. This 11 divided by 2, 5, remainder 1. This 5 divided by 2, that means 2, remainder 1. This 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, quotient 1, and this 1 divided by 2, that means 0, and this is your 1. Positive number, that means MSB lower side, LSB upper side. So the binary number for this, it is equal to 101100. 101100. We are starting from 001101. 001101. Right? This is your how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So add 0, 20 to get the 8 bit. So we are adding 20 to the left hand side. This is equal to 0, 0. We are adding these 2 to get the 8 bit, right? 101. Now the same value, 101100. This is the 8 bit. 44, 10. This is your adding 20 to the left, right? Now step 2, sign. Write the positive number using 8 bit. So if the sign is positive, write the positive 44 decimal, it is equal to 00101100. Right? Step 3, find the ones complement by replacing 0 by 1. Here ones complement, we replace 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So the above number is now ones complement of plus 44 decimal, it is equal to minus 44 decimal, and it is equal to, if this is 0, 0, so we write down 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and last 0, 0. Now we write down 1, 1. Instead of 1, we use 0. Instead of 0, we use 1. This is nothing but this is your ones complement, right, in binary. And the last step, step 4, to get the twos complement, we add 1 to the ones complement. So the twos complement of plus 44, it is equal to minus 44, it is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, So this is your answer. 2's complement representation of minus 4 4, it is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is your answer, right? Now we will see the second example. To get the 2's complement, the digit is 64. The digit is example 2 64. Convert this into the 2's complement number, right? Represent this. So again, step 1, convert this into the value of the binary number. So 64 divided by 2, that is equal to 32, is your quotient. The remainder, it is equal to 0. This 32 divided by 2, 16, 0. This 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 8, remainder 0. This 8 divided by 2, it is equal to 4, 0. This 4 divided by 2, it is equal to 2, 0. This 2 divided by 2, it is equal to 1, and this is your 0. This 1 divided by 2, it is equal to 0 and 1. This is your MSB, positive number. This is your LSB. So 64 in decimal, it is equal to 1000000 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 binary. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 number. That means value. Step 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is your 7. Step 2 is your write the positive number using 8 bits. Write the positive number using 8 bits. So positive 64, 10, it is equal to, here the digit is 7, so we are using one more 0. Why we are using 0? Because positive number and then remaining are same, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, 2 total digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This 0 8 MSB is shows the positive number, right? So the 2's complement representation of the positive number is same as the sign magnitude representation of a positive number. The 2's complement representation of a positive number be careful about this. If it is positive number, then it is the same as the sign magnitude representation of a positive number. So 2's complement, why? Because this is positive number, hence there is no 1 by changing 0 and 0 by changing 1. So answer is 2's complement of the plus 64, it is equal to 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is your answer. Last example we will take. The last example is we are using negative minus 89. This is your example 3, minus 89. Now our number is negative, right? If the number is negative, then we have to convert into the ones complement, that means 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Again, step 1, 89 divided by 2, that is equal to 44. Quotient, remainder, it is equal to 1. 44 divided by 2, 22, 0. 22 divided by 2, 11, 0. 11 divided by 2, 5, 1. 5 divided by 2, 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1, 0. And 1 divided by 2, that means 0 and 1. This is your MSB, this is your LSB. Hence 89 decimal, it is equal to 1011001 in binary. 1011001, right? 7 digit, so add 0 to the left, 01011001. Make it 8 bit, add 0 to the left side. Make 8 bit, we are adding 10 to the left hand side. Step 2, write the positive number using 8 bits. So positive 89, it is equal to same 01011001, right? Step 3, find ones complement by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So ones complement of plus 89, 10, it is equal to minus 89 decimal, it is equal to, this 0 is now 1, 1 is now 0, 0, 1. So in this way we replace this, right? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, like this, right? We replace this. This is your step 4, 2's complement. Then add 1, right? So we are adding 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, right? So the 2's answer is 2's complement representation of minus 89, it is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is your answer. Thank you.